I got some mail. I got some mail. I got some mail. I got some mail. More mail. Mail time. What's up, guys? Welcome in and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are completely new, hello. I'm sincerely Niko. In today's video, we are going to be smelling some candles. And you should already know what brand we're going to be smelling. Because it's going to be a mood forever. Forever a mood. Forever mood. Period. So I went and picked up some Forever Mood candles. Got the original set and I got the new updated holiday collection. We're going to smell these candles. I'm going to give you guys my thoughts and reviews on the fragrances. If you guys are interested in any of these type of videos, definitely hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And let's go ahead and jump on into this. Oh, also, hey Jackie girl. Hey. Hey. Hey girl. Hey. 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 Let's go ahead and jump into this video.
You used to call me on mine. You used to. Yeah.
Alright, so my friend Sierra purchased these candles. And then she sent them to me. This is the miniature Sin Moods collection. We're going to get into this after. But that's what it looks like. This is the original launch set. So we're going to get into these fragrances. So here we go. All right, let's get into the original four. I'm going to start with Caked Up. Whew. Let's go to the website so we can get a descriptor. So the notes for Caked Up are roasted pistachios, almond cream, pineapple, honey, jasmine, coconut, vanilla bean, and musk. I can smell the vanilla bean. I definitely smell the pineapple and the honey. This is a very sweet fragrance. So if you're looking for something very candy-ish sweet, Cake Up will probably be the one for you. This I mean, of course, they're not burning, but you can really smell the fragrance through this. And I think this is a really cute fragrance. This definitely reminds me of like a caramelly-ish ice cream. Pistachio, almond cream, pineapple. This very much gives me like a sweet ice cream fragrance. So if you're into that, then I definitely say get the Caked Up one. Cuffing Season. This one is fresh ozone, salty lemon, mineral citrus, iris, violet, jasmine, Douglas fir, rainforest moss, and white cedar. Okay. Cuffing Season is very woodsy. This is a very woodsy fragrance. It's very earthy. If I had to put it in a fragrance category, it's very earthy and woodsy. I feel that this definitely gives like the mossy smell, but it's more of a sweet version of it. It's not that deep musky. It's more of a sweet woodsy smell. So this is really cute too. I will burn this as well too. It's really good year round, personally for me. The Caked Up I will do during like Christmas time, just so I don't overkill myself with a headache. So it's very sweet. All right, Left on Red. Miss Left on Red. Tropical fruit, coconut milk, and caramel. Okay, this is sweet. This is really sweet. I would like, can I eat this?
Like a lot of y'all on the internet, y'all is nasty. I don't know who the raised y'all.
This is giving me like the Dole canned fruit that I love when I was a little kid, with the papaya, the mango. Ugh. Okay. Left on Red. I'm gonna rank them from my favorite to my least favorite, by the way, guys. So stay tuned for that. And then Matcha Business. This one is hazelnut coffee, almond milk, honey, coffee, lavender, and vanilla. Okay, so this smells like Starbucks. This literally smells like if you were to walk in Starbucks and ask for a caramel macchiato, hold the whip, low-fat milk. Alright, so this is the core collection. I just smelled all of them. Let me rank my favorites to my least favorite. Left on Red is my favorite. That's my number one. Definitely like that one because of the whole tropical sweet vibe of it. Matcha Business would be my second favorite, of course, because it has that caramel coffee smell, that very much sensual base. Then I would go to, surprisingly, Cuffing Season, and do that because of the whole woodsy, earthy, sweet, woodsy, earthy undertone of this. I can definitely see myself burning these two year round. This is like on special occasions. And then of course this one's on special occasion too, but like holidays I will burn Caked Up. But Left on Red is like, okay, birthdays, or I got somebody coming over and I want something sweet throughout the, you know, the house to linger. I would turn on Left on Red. Doing a self-care moment, I will burn Left on Red. But year round, I will literally do Cuffing Season or Matcha Business year round. So actually, let me change that. Cuffing Season 1, Matcha Business 2, Left on Red 3, Caked Up 4. That's my order. So that's the core collection. Let's go ahead and move on into the Sin Moods collection. Alright, so here is the Sin Moods collection. Let me go ahead and pull up the information pertaining to the notes of the fragrances. Open to get lit. I love that when I see that. Alright, so there's 4 in the Sin. Oh wow.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow.
Alright, so here it says in your kitchen, in your bedroom, or on your bathroom, you decide. Period. Alright, let's get into the first one, which is Grown Folks Business. You all in my business. Don't do that.
Hey ma'am, you in my business? Don't do that.
Herbal moss, white clove, cool mint, gray cedar, velveter, patchouli, ling ling, amber, rosewood, and vanilla. Very woodsy. Might have to come back to that one. Skinny dip. Let's see what you giving. Okay, so this is hard. This packaging is hard to get these little miniature ones out. Skinny dip is pistachio, almond cream, apple, nutmeg, clove, coconut, vanilla, and tonka bean. Okay, this might be, I'm gonna leave that out. That might be the one. That might be the one that get lit tonight. All right, Hey Big Head. Let's see what Hey Big Head is given. Roasted coffee, sweet toffee, hazelnut, and vanilla. Ooh. This is very much Starbucks. This is very much like coffee house. Oh. Okay. Skinny dip is going back. Hey Big Head is probably getting burnt tonight.
I'm confused.
And then the last one is We Not Lincoln. This one is pumpkin, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, whipped cream, and tonka bean. I definitely smell the pumpkin and the cinnamon in this. This is probably best during like the holiday season, if anything, give or take, because it's so spicy. It's a spicy scent. But Hey Big Head, whew, this the one. All right, so that is the Sin Moods collection. So out of the 8 fragrances or 8 candles, ranking them from 1 to 8 as far as my favorites to my least favorites: Hey Big Head, Matcha Business, Grown Folk Business, Skinny Dip, We Not Lincoln, Left on Red, and then Caked Up, in that order. That's my order of favorite to least favorite. Again, like I say, like these are just my personal thoughts on the fragrance, my personal memories or feelings about the fragrance. You guys can purchase them if you guys like. I will leave the link down below for the Forever Mood website. Check them out. Again, congratulations, Jackie Aina, on creating a successful brand. This set has sold out originally on launch. I got what I needed. I got my life. So I'm going to go ahead and get off camera, burn me a candle, do a little bit of self-care, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Bye.
Yeah, I like it. That can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city,